எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். 11th third chapterலேருந்து எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3.2 prove that secant a minus cosecant a 1 plus tan a plus cot a is equal to tan a secant a minus cot a cosecant a. Solution. Here using secant a 1 by cos a, cosecant a 1 by sin a, 1 plus tan a is secant a, sin a by cos a, cot a is cos a by sin a. The formula using basic terms, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Next, denominator is multiply cos a sin a. Here sin a minus cos a. Denominator is multiply cos a by sin a, cos a by sin a plus sin square a plus cos square a. Next, denominator is multiply on both side. This one cos a sin a, cos a sin a, cos square a, sin square a. Sin a minus cos a, sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos square a. Here using the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next, sin cube a minus cos cube a by cos square a sin square a. Sin cube a by cos square a sin square a minus cos cube a by cos square a by sin square a. Having sin a by cos square a, cos a by sin square a. Next, sin a by cos a to 1 by cos a minus cos a by sin a into 1 by sin a, tan a secant a minus cot a cosecant a. தேங்க்யூ. நம்ம சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்தா ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.